Okay, how am I going to blend this in? Well, I've got the little piece here, I got a piece up there, and I got a little bit down there. And when I look at this wall, and I also have some imperfections right in here, and what I think I'm going to do there is I'm going to blend it in. I'm going to take it off of the wall with the mini roller. I'm going to bring it over, you know, after I put 2 coats on with a small little paintbrush. I mean, you could do a small little paintbrush and leave it and that's it, or do a small paintbrush, and then if you look at the paint real close, and if you see it's got not perfectly smooth, you could take a mini roller after you put paint on here with a paintbrush, then take a mini roller and just use that, and that's how you're going to put a little texture on there, let's say. Well, in my case, I'll look at it and I'll probably continue the paint up higher. I may not go all the way up to the ceiling, but I may go over, you know, here or so, and blend it in. So when somebody sees, oh, okay, yeah, there's a patch there, there's a patch there, there's a patch there, they're going to look at that and they're going to forget to look way over here to see that, oh, the paint doesn't actually blend in 100% if you don't get the same color. Even if you do get the same color, here's the thing. You get the same color of paint and you're putting it on here, you may have 3 coats right here and only 2 coats right there. Okay, 2 coats of the existing, now you're going to put 2 coats on the patch, but now you're going to have 4 coats on the existing. Do you follow? There's actually going to be 4 coats of paint right here. There's only going to be 2 coats of paint over the patches. And so it could mismatch, discolor or something, and depending how much light you have on your wall. See, this wall is kind of dark. If I'm standing back here, it's kind of shaded, so we're going to be okay either way. But if it was light, bright sun on it, you can stand back and you'll see it no matter what if you're not paying attention, and continue this over later just to blend it in with a mini roller, let's say. Okay, there's a tip for you. That's all I have for this time, but I'll be back with more videos